Welcome back, everybody. I'm Fake009, and today we're opening a man. It doesn't fit on the screen. Zacian v-unino special collection box. As you can see here, oh man, the light's not gonna let me, but we got this Union Zacian with its big counterpart on the back. So let's pull this bad boy out real quick. Bam. Put this bag away. Okay. It comes with both the 4 Union cards, its big counterpart, and 4 booster packs. So let's go. Oh, sorry about that. That way. All right, we got 4 booster packs. We got a Fusion Strike, Evolving Skies, and Shielding Rain. Let's see this big Zacian. Out of the Sword and Shield legendaries, this is my favorite one, the Zacian. All right, let's see here. How do we get this out? Like this? Bam. Grab the plastic. Right back. All right, this is nice. I really like this puzzle. They look like a puzzle. I do not know how is it that they fit in the game? I don't think they do. But let me know in the comments below if you know how to, like, if you can use this type of cards in the game. We also have this Professor Burnett trainer card. Search your deck for the 2 cards and discard them, then shuffle. Okay, I don't know what that does. All right, let's put this bad boy here somewhere next to it. I got this code card for you guys. There you go. Put it to the side. And like I said, we got this 4 packs, being that Fusion Strike is the most recent out of this 2 series. We're gonna do this in this order. We're gonna start with Shielding Rain. Let's see what we get. Oof, okay. Pull this out. Bam. Probably not good. Code card for you. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bam. Kuna. Norant. Sneasel. And Doctrio. So we're gonna put that Sneasel there. Go with the Evolving Skies. Come on, there's some good cards in Evolving Skies. Let's see if we can get something here. Okay, looks promising. Good card for you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bam. Ooh, dark. Let's go. Arab. Off that. Up this. Ooh. Oof. Umbreon V. Let's go. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. I don't know if I had a friend that once said, "Oh, watch yourself pull the Umbreon." I don't think it's this one, but it is an Umbreon. So put it right here. Quickly sleeve this bad boy. Okay, we got a B card. I'm happy. Okay, Fusion Strike. Let's start with the Mew pack. Okay. When they started changing the code cards. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bam. All right, let's see. Pansage, Defense, Ligar, Luckman, Kitty. Ooh, reverse hollow Meltan. Let's go. Looks pretty nice. And a Past Line. All right, all right. Last pack, guys, of the box. Let's see what we get. Can we top that Umbreon V? Code card for you. Three, 4. Ooh. Go. Venom. Storm. Goldfish. Ooh, Togedemaru Reverse Hollow. And a holographic Toxicity. Alright, not bad. Not a bad haul. Like that Umbreon. Alright guys, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Alright everybody, that's gonna do it for this video. If you are here, thanks to getting to this point, I really appreciate it. This is a second reminder that if you enjoyed the video, leave a like or a dislike, whatever you think it deserves, to subscribe to the channel for more Pokemon card pack openings. And for more content, you can follow me on the socials below. As a reminder, you can check me out live on Twitch every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday from 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, give or take. Like always guys, I am Fate9, and you have a wonderful day.